So today I'll be showing you unwrapping my v911's battery for the helicopter. So now I opened the wrapping how it came as, but I never opened the battery. So now let's start opening it. This was how it came. This was how it came as. I never opened it or anything. Looks like it opened. Just have to wrap it. That's the battery. So that's how it looks like. This part you have to plug it into the back of the helicopter. I think you have to plug in. It's a 200 milliamp battery pack. Yeah, that's all. Thanks. Please watch my next video. I'm gonna unbox the actual helicopter. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.